We're looking at the nest of a great horned owl, a mother that's got a couple of chicks, or owlets. You want to call them owlets. And I've come in a few different times to this area, shot from different angles, and I found this angle this morning. It's April 2nd. The weather has not always been good when I've come in to get some pictures or video of the nest. I've used a spotting scope. It gets a little blurry and not as clean as this. Is a 600 millimeter lens on a Canon 5D Mark IV. And I found an angle where I can see through the brush and not have branches in the way too badly to see these little chicks and the mama doing their thing. They've been a little bit active this morning, and it's been fun just to stay here and watch what they're doing from a distance. I'm about 80, 90, probably 90 yards away, 270 feet from the nest.